In this video, I'm going to go over some troubleshooting that you sometimes need to do on a Divi website. The first thing is about preloading. Oftentimes we will see images not exactly appear. If we don't see things like, in this case, an icon or images or something not appearing when a website has been loaded with a new domain, it's actually a really simple fix. We just go into the back end, we go down to Divi, and then we click on Divi Options. From here, we go to Integration. And we need to add some code to the head. This is very simple. Now, the code that needs to be entered is in the description of this video. So if you look below you, there is the actual code, but it's called the preload code. So I put in this preload code on every site to make sure it loads up well. So that's the first part. I'll hit Save Changes and make sure that works right. The next thing is with the plugin. So I'm going to go to Plugins, and I'm going to add another plugin called Better Search. And it's called Better Search Replace. I click Install Now and click Activate. Now, the reason this happens is because you changed the domain. And sometimes when we've changed the domain, not all the domains inside the database of the website have been updated. So I like to use this as an extra precaution. So I go to the left-hand side to Tools, and I click on Better Search Replace. I then grab the old URL of the website, and I copy it. And then I grab the new URL of the website, and I paste it. And then I choose all the tables within the database, and I can just click the top one, click Control or Command A, and then scroll down here and make sure you uncheck Run as Dry Run, because you actually do want to make these changes. You click Run Search and Replace. It takes about a minute. And as you can see, there has been some updating done on the tables. Actually, it was just one cell, which is fine. But just in case, I also like to do it by removing the HTTPS and the // So I delete those two, and then I do it again. And this goes through the database and makes any changes. So if this exists anywhere, it gets replaced with this. And then I go to the home page. And as you can see, my icon is now here. My other icons have now appeared. My images are loading just fine. And that's all it is to fix any image issues on Divi.